Anchored. He stilled the storm to a whisper. The waves of the sea were hushed. Psalm 107:29. September 16th, 2004. It was a little bit after midnight. Hurricane Ivan, one of the most devastating storms of the 2004 Atlantic hurricane season, was stalking the Gulf Coast. I was 10 hours into a 12-hour wall-to-wall shift on the anchor desk. Because Ivan's early track had indicated a north-northwesterly course, my husband and 2 daughters had evacuated our home of Daphne, Alabama, and headed east. They were bunking in with friends some 60 miles away in Gulf Breeze, Florida. I could go to work now feeling relatively certain that they were out of harm's way and relatively safe. Then, Ivan flipped in the other direction. Our meteorologist read the latest weather bulletin live on the air. Ivan had jogged east and was now bearing down on Gulf Shores, Alabama, meaning that Gulf Shores and areas east, including Gulf Breeze, would now be sharing the brunt of up to 130-mile-per-hour winds. My family was now sitting in that very broad bullseye. Having a panic attack on the air is not good. I had to maintain my composure. There was nothing I could do at that point to help my family, but there were many people depending on me. Our viewers were depending on me to give them information and help them remain calm. God really does hear a simple SOS. That's literally all I had time to pray. But almost immediately, I felt my heartbeat slow, my breathing returned to normal, and my mind was able to focus on the task at hand. When God is our anchor, He will hold us steady no matter how violently the storms of life rage around us. He will keep us from falling apart in the winds and the waves. And He will surely be there in the morning when the storm clouds clear and the sun finally shines. Today's truth. Life storms may scare me and hurt me, but they will not overtake me. I will remain anchored in my faith, and when the storm clouds clear, I will be safe, and I will be stronger.